Hey guys, so I'm going to be doing a purple and pink look topped off with the wing. I'm going to be using my 35B palette. I'll be using a purple and a pink from that palette. And then I have this scandalized eyeliner in Fierce Fuchsia I'll be using. And just some of my NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner and Vivid Fire for the wing. So yeah, I hope you guys like today's look. So first, to prime my eyelid, I'm going to take my Milk Jumbo Crayon and put that all over my eyelid. Now going into the 35B palette, I'm going to take a nice purple color, and I'm just going to pack that all over my eyelid with a must-have shader brush. Now to give the look some extra color, I'm taking the light pink in the palette and a mermaid dense kind of shaped brush. And I'm just going to kind of go inside the crease with that color, blend it with the purple so that it creates a nice effect. I always love blending two different kinds of colors together in this area. It gives it a nice look. Now I'm going to blend everything together with my Morphe Y15 blending brush. Just make sure all the edges are smooth, nothing is creasing or giving any harsh lines. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to take that Scandal Eyes pencil in Fierce Fuchsia, and I'm just going to go on the lower lash line with that. Now we're going to lightly wing it out with my Vivid Fire eyeliner. And that's about it, guys. I hope you guys liked today's look, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!